insides all turn to ash, so slow. And blew away as I collapsed, so cold. A black wind took them away from sight, and now the darkness overlaid that night, and the clouds above moved closer, looking so dissatisfied. But the heartless wind kept blowing, blowing. I used to be my own protection, but not now. 'Cause my path has lost direction somehow. A black wind took you away from sight, and now the darkness overlaid that night, and the clouds above moved closer, looking so dissatisfied, and the ground below grew colder as they put you down inside. But the heartless wind kept blowing, blowing.